Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my online classes, all the students, all the learners. I hope you are doing great. I am also doing great. I am Sheikh Muhammad with you all. Today we are going to learn assertive sentence. First of all, we have to know what is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is a sentence which gives a statement or an idea or a description. Assertive sentence is of two kinds. Number one, affirmative sentence, and number two, negative sentence. Today I will discuss negative sentence into affirmative sentence, from affirmative sentence into negative sentence. To change the negative sentence from affirmative sentence, there are some rules. Number one, if there is only at the beginning of the sentence, the only will be turned into noun-verb if the subject is a person. Now I am going to set an example on the whiteboard now. Only the man is alive. Negative. We will do it negative. Here you will see that the man is a person. So only will be changed into noun-verb. And other parts will be unchanged. Noun-verb, the man is alive. Okay, my dear students, you understand? If there is any person, after the only will be changed into noun-verb. Other parts will remain unchanged. Number two, if there is any object, after only will be changed into nothing but. I am going to set an example on the whiteboard now. Only the moon was visible. We find here after only the moon is an object. So only will be turned into nothing but. And other parts of the statement will remain unchanged. My dear online students, look at the blackboard. I have put down a sentence that is only the moon was visible. The answer is nothing but the moon was visible. why we have used nothing but because the moon is an object. So only has been turned into nothing but. If there is any number or age after only, the only will be changed into not more than or not less than. Again I am going to say, if there is any number, any age after only, the only will be turned into not more than or not less than. So, my dear students, I am going to write down an example on the whiteboard now. He is only 12. I have written on the whiteboard, he is only 12. 12 is a number. So, only will be turned into not more than or not less than. He is not more than 12. Or he is not less than 12. I think you understood my sentences. He is only 12. There is a number after only, so I have changed only into not more than or not less than. If we find in the sentence must will be turned into must will be turned into cannot but or cannot help. Again, I am going to say, if there is any word must in the statement, in the assertive sentence, the must will change into cannot but or cannot help plus verb plus ing. So, I am going to set an example on the whiteboard now. I must catch fish. We can turn this sentence into negative in two ways. Number one, I cannot but catch fish. Or I cannot help catching fish. Catching fish. I must catch fish. Here you have see there is a word must. It will be turned into cannot but or cannot help. If we use cannot help, we have to add ing at the end of the verb. If there is have to or has to, in the statement or in the declarative sentence or in the assertive sentence, we have to or has to change into cannot but or cannot have. So I am going to set an example on the whiteboard now. I have to do it. I have to do it. Negative. How can we change into negative? We can replace have to into cannot but. So the answer will be I cannot but do it. The same one is in the case of has to. He has to run a race. So the answer will be he cannot but run a race. I have to do it. The answer is I cannot but do it. He has to run a race. The answer is he cannot but run a race. If the structure is subject plus to be verb plus adjective, we can change the sentence into another way. Now look at the whiteboard. Man is immortal. This is affirmative sentence. Man is mortal. Negative. Here man is subject to be verb and mortal is adjective. The answer will be man is not immortal. What is the rule here? First of all, you have to use not after and either or the. Then you have to write down the opposite word of the vocal word. Here the vocal word is mortal. So the opposite word of mortal is immortal. Man is mortal. The answer is man is not immortal. He is a regular student. The answer will be he is not an irregular. The opposite word of regular is irregular. Irregular student. What I have used here? I have used not after auxiliary verb. Here is. Then the vocal word, the main word, regular, adjective. The opposite of regular is irregular. So he is a regular student. The answer is he is not an irregular student. Another example here. He looks kind. You have observed that there is no to be verb here. There is no and, there is no is, there is no was, there is no were here. The main verb is lose and it is present indefinite tense. So to turn this sentence into negative, you have to use does not after the subject. He does not look. The opposite word kind is unkind or cruel. Unkind or cruel. If the look is past tense, how can we change the affirmative into negative? Suppose he looked kind. This is simple past. So after the subject, you have to use did not. He did not look unkind or cruel. Okay, my dear online students, what have we learned today? We learned today what is assertive sentence, how many kinds of assertive sentence is, how can we change the affirmative into negative. So I think you will be safe at home today. After this, all the best. Bye.